AI revolution has put people in fear of the future because of the news of how AI could do the intelligent task and be humans at doing those tasks. Is that true? Well, Chatgpt is an AI tool that is powered by OpenAI. Chatgpt can do a lot of things like answering difficult questions, writing articles, generating codes to create tools, and even generating video script and all other things. Chatgpt is so intelligent that it has created endless profit potential for people working online. The truth is that people can't make money directly with Chatgpt, but with the help of this powerful AI tool, people have developed a way to make money with Chatgpt, and I will explain the various ways to make money with Chatgpt. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistant services have become increasingly popular over the years, especially with the rise of remote work and the need for businesses to streamline their operations. As a virtual assistant, you can work from anywhere and provide administrative support to clients around the world. With the help of Chatgpt, you can enhance your virtual assistant services and provide even more value to your clients. One of the primary benefits of using Chatgpt as a virtual assistant is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. For example, Chatgpt can be used to schedule appointments, send follow-up emails, and even generate reports. This frees up your time and allows you to focus on more important tasks that require your attention. Chatgpt can also be used to manage social media accounts. As a virtual assistant, you may be tasked with creating and scheduling posts, responding to messages, and engaging with followers. Chatgpt can assist you in these tasks by suggesting relevant content, generating captions, and even responding to common queries. Another area where Chatgpt can be useful is in customer support. As a virtual assistant, you may need to handle customer inquiries, complaints, and feedback. Chatgpt can be used to answer common questions and provide quick solutions to customer issues, thereby improving customer satisfaction. Additionally, Chatgpt can be used to perform data entry and research tasks. For example, you may be asked to compile a list of potential clients or gather information on industry trends. Chatgpt can assist you in these tasks by generating reports, extracting data from websites, and even summarizing research findings. Number 4. Copywriting. Copywriting is the art of creating persuasive written content for businesses, with the goal of driving sales and engaging customers. With the help of Chatgpt, copywriting can be taken to the next level. Chatgpt can assist with generating attention-grabbing headlines, crafting compelling product descriptions, and writing persuasive sales copy. By using natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, Chatgpt can generate creative and engaging copy that can capture the attention of potential customers and convert them into buyers. In addition, Chatgpt can help with generating email marketing campaigns, social media posts, and advertising copy. With its ability to understand language and generate personalized content, Chatgpt can tailor copy to specific audiences, making it more effective in reaching potential customers. Copywriting using Chatgpt can also save time and increase efficiency. Rather than spending hours brainstorming ideas and writing copy, Chatgpt can provide a starting point or a complete draft. This allows copywriters to focus on refining the content, ensuring that it is clear, concise, and compelling. Overall, Chatgpt is a powerful tool that can enhance the effectiveness of copywriting. By generating attention-grabbing headlines, persuasive sales copy, and personalized content, Chatgpt can help businesses improve their marketing efforts, increase sales, and ultimately achieve success. Number 3. Language translation. Language translation is a crucial aspect of business communication, especially in today's global marketplace where companies operate in multiple countries and engage with customers who speak different languages. With the help of Chatgpt, language translation can be made easier and more efficient. Chatgpt can translate text from one language to another with high accuracy and speed. This can save businesses time and resources as they no longer need to rely on human translators or spend hours translating content themselves. Chatgpt can handle a wide range of languages, including commonly spoken languages like English, Spanish, French, and German, as well as more niche languages like Arabic, Chinese, and Japanese. Using ChatGPT for language translation can also improve the quality of translations. ChatGPT is equipped with natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, which allows it to understand the nuances and context of the text being translated. This ensures that the translations are not only accurate, but also convey the intended meaning and tone of the original text. In addition, ChatGPT can be used for real-time translations. This can be particularly useful for businesses that engage with customers who speak different languages, such as in customer service or support. ChatGPT can provide instant translations of messages or emails, allowing businesses to respond quickly and efficiently to customer queries or concerns. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can enhance language translation and improve business communication. Number 2. Chatbot development. Chatbot development is the process of creating a computer program that can simulate a conversation with a human user through text or voice input. With the help of ChatGPT, chatbot development can be made easier and more efficient. ChatGPT can assist with creating chatbots that are engaging, natural-sounding, and intelligent. By leveraging natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, ChatGPT can understand the user's input and generate responses that are relevant and accurate. This allows businesses to create chatbots that can handle a wide range of queries and provide personalized support to users. ChatGPT can also be used to train chatbots. By feeding it with large amounts of data and allowing it to learn from user interactions, ChatGPT can help chatbots improve their performance over time. This allows chatbots to become more effective at providing support and handling complex queries. Furthermore, ChatGPT can help with designing the user interface and user experience of chatbots. By generating natural-sounding responses, ChatGPT can help chatbots feel more human-like and engaging to users. This can ultimately improve user satisfaction and increase the effectiveness of the chatbot. Using ChatGPT for chatbot development can also save time and resources. Rather than building chatbots from scratch, businesses can leverage ChatGPT's pre-built models and tools to create chatbots quickly and efficiently. This allows businesses to focus on customizing the chatbot to their specific needs and use cases. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can enhance chatbot development and improve the user experience. By generating natural-sounding responses, improving the performance of chatbots over time, and providing pre-built models and tools. Number 1. Content creation. Content creation is the process of developing written or visual material for marketing, advertising, or entertainment purposes. With the help of ChatGPT, content creation can be made easier and more efficient. ChatGPT can assist with generating ideas for content and developing content outlines. By analyzing existing content and identifying popular topics and trends, ChatGPT can help businesses come up with ideas for content that will resonate with their target audience. ChatGPT can also assist with outlining content, providing a structure and framework for writers or designers to follow. ChatGPT can also be used for generating written content, such as blog posts, articles, and product descriptions. By using natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, ChatGPT can generate high-quality written content that is engaging, informative, and easy to read. This can save businesses time and resources, as they no longer need to rely on human writers or spend hours writing content themselves. In addition, ChatGPT can assist with visual content creation, such as social media graphics or website design. By providing design templates and suggestions, ChatGPT can help businesses create visually appealing content that is consistent with their brand image. Using ChatGPT for content creation can also improve the quality of content. ChatGPT's algorithms can analyze existing content and identify areas for improvement, such as optimizing for search engine optimization or improving readability. By incorporating these suggestions into their content, businesses can create higher quality content that is more likely to resonate with their audience and drive engagement. Furthermore, ChatGPT can assist with creating content in multiple languages. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.